Hi, my name is Jack, and I'm going to share my snap. What? I'm going to share my snap circuits with you. Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
I put together a light on-off switch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There.
Whoa! Way to go, buddy. Now, what is this thing called? What's this whole thing called?
The set.
Yeah.
It's called snap circuits.
Oh, snap circuits.
You snap them together and make a circuit.
Oh, you do. Is it an electrical circuit?
Yes. I mean, I'm not sure what kind of circuit, but
Well,
okay.
that's probably it. Can you make all kinds of things with it?
Battery powered.
What is it, Josh?
Battery powered.
Okay.
And
Josh plans on going swimming with his goggles on during the day here. Okay, go ahead, Jack. What?
okay, if you have this set and you want to know how to make this,
Yes.
it's easy.
Okay.
The parts you need are 2 of these wires,
Okay.
this light, this on-off switch part,
All right.
2 of these, and the battery.
Cool. So you're putting together electrical stuff.
And it's kind of strange because if you turn it on the on side, it
Yeah.
goes off. If you turn it on the off side, it goes on.
Oh, that is kind of strange. Okay.
It is.
Yeah. Very good. Now, can you build other things with that electrical
And
circuit?
wait,
Oh, okay.
if it doesn't work,
Yeah.
if it doesn't work when you turn it on and
Yeah.
you have these connected, switch them.
Oh, all right.
Not right here, but right here.
Oh, okay. You don't want to do it over there.
No.
Okay. Now, what else can you make on this thing? Lots of things.
You can make
Oh, does this thing go around in a circle?
it's a button.
Oh, it's a button.
This
Round
runs an
circle,
electrical
blah, blah.
current. This is an emergency light. I'm
Okay.
not sure what this does, though.
Okay.
But
All
this is a spinner
Spinner. All
type
right.
propeller thing.
All
This
right.
is also a speaker.
Oh,
I haven't
really?
got this to work very often, but I've gotten it to work a few times.
Okay. Well, that's good.
And then we have these 3 themes.
Okay.
1 is music, 2 is alarm, and 3 is spaceware.
Wow. Cool.
I'm not sure what all that's about, but
Well,
we'll figure
you
it
know
out.
the names. Good enough. Wow.
And then
I
we
think
have
Baxter is enjoying this whole thing, aren't you?
Joshy, do
Kinda.
not play the drums with my snap circuits.
Oh boy, Big Brother does not want Joshy to play the drums with your snap circuits, huh?
And then
Alright.
we have a big board so you can connect.
Okay, great.
No,
Great.
then
You
bye.
can do all kinds of things with that, huh?
Bye.
Okay, all right. You want to say bye to your fans? There you go.
Bye.
Bye, fans. Joshy, say bye, fans.
Bye, bands.
Bye, fans. Tell your fans why you love to wear your swimming goggles during the day.
Look, they're so cool.
Because they're so cool. Why do you need any other reason? Bye, fans.